Hi, this is a quick screencast to run through pCloud, which is the storage solution for Maxim files. So if we go to pcloud.com and sign in, if you've got LastPass enabled, it will autofill the password in and then just sign in. So in pCloud, here are the files that have been uploaded to the cloud for Maxim. So we have Pause Pet Retreat, self-managed super funds. So you can see a whole lot of details here. You can come back one level. So basically it's a online web browser. And if I say come into Maxim Digital and go to say maybe business cards, final. It's also a very good image browser, so anything that's a JPEG, etc., you'll be able to see very easily. So you can also use it to browse and look at pictures. It's quite good. Now if I come back to the top level, you can see that there's 500 gigabytes, and that's for life. There's no more payments needed for pCloud, so at the moment we've used a little over 2 gigabytes. Another great feature of pCloud is the ability to share with the team any folder that you like, so they don't have full visibility of everything, just the folders that you want them to have access to. So if I was to say go into self-managed and say super funds, you wanted somebody to have access to super funds, whether that be a client, so their client name, or a manager to manage all of the super funds. You simply go to the folder and share, invite to folder, put their name in, a message, and share. They'll get the link and then they'll be able to take it from there. So it's really good in that respect. Another thing application that you can use to access pCloud, it can actually be on your desktop. So that I'll just bring something into the screen here. So you can see here these on a Mac are my drives, and on pCloud you can download the pCloud Drive application for Windows or Mac. Once you have that, the files that I just showed you in the web browser can act exactly like a drive on your computer. So you can see here these are the same folders, and it looks as if it's a drive on your computer. But all of this is actually in the cloud. So that's the other great benefit of pCloud. So you can use the web browser version, particularly if you're wanting to look at images, etc., or you need access anywhere on any computer, or if it's on your actual computer and you want faster access, you can have it as pCloud Drive and it's always there for you, and it works just like a regular drive on your computer, but backed up to the cloud, as I said. So that's essentially pCloud Drive. It's really good and a great benefit for any business.